Blade Power Battery Pack Disassembly, Assembly, and Testing Platform. This equipment consists of a disassembly and assembly training platform, a testing platform, and an intelligent testing and assessment system. It supports practical training in the disassembly, assembly, sorting, testing, and commissioning of new energy vehicle blade batteries. The disassembly and assembly training platform comprises 16 sets of blade batteries, a power distribution module, a service disconnect switch, an onboard charging module, a load regulation module, and other components. The 16 blade battery units are divided into 2 battery modules. Each battery module is equipped with a signal acquisition unit. This unit is responsible for acquiring voltage and temperature data and managing cell balancing. Data collected by the acquisition unit is transmitted via CAN to the BMS main control unit for centralized management and debugging. The load module is used to regulate the discharge current, enabling discharge simulation across multiple levels. Designed for use in conjunction with the disassembly and assembly platform, the testing platform supports multi-station practical training. The intelligent testing and assessment system incorporates theoretical instruction, micro-lectures, calibration testing, and practical training guidance. It meets the requirements for routine theoretical instruction, debugging, and testing of power batteries.